Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. The C8 Corvette is a car that was built with a whole lot of engineering behind it. Unfortunately, these cars, although they are built to perform with some of the best, do have a flaw with the throttle. Since these cars do have drive-by-wire, there is a bit of a delay that is present. This delay can make the driving a bit dull. The JMS PedalMAX is an easy solution to get rid of that pedal delay and bring the excitement back to your drive. This kit is a simple plug-and-play module that will simply enhance the throttle engagement, unlocking the full potential of your C8. Another benefit of this kit is that it is not traceable by the factory ECU, so you will not have to worry about voiding the warranty. Simply reverse the installation and get your car serviced. Speaking of the installation, this kit will simply plug in line with your factory throttle connector. The dial that comes with the kit will give you full control over the sensitivity of the module. So if you do not want the module to be at 100% all the time, you can dial it back for those easy driving moments. Jumping right into the installation, we are going to open the trunk to disconnect the battery. Remove the upper side panels on both sides. Then remove the main center panel to access the battery. Disconnect the positive side of the terminal. Under the dash, we are going to have to locate the electrical connector for the throttle. The connector will have a red tab that will have to be unlocked before we can depress the tab and pull the connector off. With the factory connector pulled aside, we can connect the JMS PedalMAX in line with its factory style connections. Then take the module and route it behind the carpet out of the way. At this time, we can connect the dial to give us control over the sensitivity of the module. Connect the dial harness to the harness from the JMS module. Then mount the dial in a desired location that best suits you. Finally, reconnect the positive battery terminal and reinstall the cowl covers. It's just that simple, guys. With the JMS PedalMAX installed, we can now enjoy the quicker engagement of the throttle and the excitement to the drive it will add. The simple module allows you to experience the throttle that should be with the C8 Corvette, and with the dial, we can control how quickly the throttle engages. Here's a quick example showing you the operation of the JMS PedalMAX. Holding the RPMs at 1500 with our foot, we are able to turn the dial from 0 to 100% and the throttle engages on its own, showing you the function of this module. Now all you have to do is simply set the dial where you feel comfortable driving and enjoy the quick throttle action at your control. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about the JMS product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.